These are notes for section 5.3. Okay, 5.3, page 264, 1 to 53 odd, except skip 23 and 47. Okay. Some more. Bottom. Next page. Right, and we have to go to 53, so I think you see that there. 5.3 in the back of the book, answers. And get to, yeah, everything we need is over there. Okay, 5.3, 3x to the fourth times 4x cubed. So we'll go 3 times 4 is 12. X to the fourth times x to the third is x to the seventh. Number 7, just multiply all the numbers. 10 times 10 times 2 is 200. A to the third, a to the 1, understood, a squared, so 3 plus 1 plus 2, e to the 6th power. Number 13, just divide the numbers with the numbers and the x's with the x's. 15 divided by 5 is 3. X cubed over x squared, we subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. But if it's x to the 1, you just put x. Okay, this one, 21a squared b cubed divided by negative 7ab to the fifth. So divide the number with the number. 21 divided by negative 7 is negative 3. A squared divided by a to the 1 is a to the 1, or just a. B to the 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Negative exponent, we know that means goes in the denominator. So that stays up, negative 3a over b squared. 25, a little bit more scientific notation. Multiply the tens with the tens and the non-tens with the non-tens. 3 times 2 is 6. 10 to the third, 10 to the fifth. Excuse me, 10 to the 8th. Okay, multiply here. 5.5, 2 times 2, 12.1. 10 to the negative third, 10 negative fourth, 10 negative seventh. But this is not done. This needs to be between 1 and 10. So change 12 by 1, 1.21 times 10 to the 1. Then combine it with 10 to the negative 7, 1.21 times 10 to the negative 6. And 31, just divide the tens and the non-tens. Non-tens, 8.4 divided by 2, 4.2. 10 to the 5 minus 2, 10 cubed. I'm done because this is a number between 1 and 10. And what if I get something that's not between 1 and 10? Then I do the same trick as over here. 35, 2.5 divided by 5 is 0.5. That's not between 1 and 10. Okay, 10 to the negative 6 divided by 10 to the negative 4. Subtract 10 to the negative 6 minus a negative 4. That's negative 6 plus 4, negative 2. Okay, now, I need this to be between 1 and 10. So I move over one space. So I'm looking only at this. Move over 1, that's 5 times 10 to the negative 1. Now combine it with 10 to the negative 2. And here you're supposed to add the exponents. So final answer, 5 times 10 to the negative third. 39, combine like terms. These are both 8 x to the fifth minus 19 x to the fifth. They're both x to the fifth, so 8 minus 19 is a negative 11 x to the fifth. 45 is more complicated, but they're all ab squared. So I just combine the coefficients. 20 minus 19 is 1. 1 plus 30, 31 ab squared. 49, Okay, I would just work out the top. Clean up the top. 3 times 8 is 24. X squared times x to the 5th is x to the 2 plus 5 is 7. And now I divide. 24 divided by 6 is 4. X to the 7 minus 4 is x cubed. And finally, 53, there's so much stuff. I'll clean up the top and then clean up the bottom. So look only at the top. 4 times 9 is 36. X cubed times x to the 4th, add the exponents, x to the 7th. Y squared, y to the 10th, add the exponents, y to the 12th. Now I do the bottom. 3 times 2 is 6. X to the 5 plus 6 is 11. Y times y is y squared. And now I'll divide. 36 divided by 6 is 6. X to the 7 minus 11 is negative 4. Y to the 12 minus 2 is 10. And x to the negative 4 means put it into the denominator. This can stay up. This can stay up. So 6y to the 10th over x to the 4th. Okay, so that was section 5.3.